Hi, meteorologist Peter Hall. Here's a look at your Fastcast, your forecast in a flash today. It's going to be another cold day across central New York. Figure wind chills this morning of 0 to 10 below. This afternoon, as you'll see coming up in a minute, wind chills should be in the single digits above 0. I think the afternoon high is about 20, which again is another below normal day. Expect a little bit of sun today, but also some periods of clouds. Some new light snow starts up around or just after midnight tonight. We'll talk about that in a minute as well. What to expect? Well, we've just talked about shivers and quivers and how cold it is this morning. This afternoon, the wind chill's still a factor, but just not as bitter as they have been this morning. Wouldn't you know it, we actually have one day near normal. Whoopee! Tomorrow's high should be 30 to 35. Now, we've had a few days near normal, but it's been very rare around here that we've had above normal temperatures. In fact, going back to December 29th, we have only had, count them, three days where the temperature has broken 40, and 2 of them were 40 and 41. There has been one day, since December 29th, where the temperatures have been above 41 degrees, and that was, I believe, 55 on the 3rd of January, something like that, 50-something. So Elsa's ruling our central New York weather, that's for sure. And it doesn't look like it's going to change either. Granted, we'll be near normal Wednesday, but then you can see it's frigid Thursday. Do have some light snow tonight, some more snow Wednesday night, and some more light snow this weekend. Pound the table. Elsa's just spinning her web or whatever she's doing. Can't remember what that. The Wonder Twins, the Ice Twins. Remember they had the ice? Forget it. I'm going back into the cartoons. Anyway, 0 to 5 above is where we'll play wind chill wise this afternoon. And we've mentioned we'll have some sun, but you also notice some extra clouds this afternoon too. Partial clearing for a while this evening, down to 0 to 5 below for wind chills, but then increasing clouds bring some light snow tonight. You can see it between midnight and 7, 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. Now overall, I think the highest snow we could get out of this would be 2 or 3 inches. Most spots between 1/2 to 2 inches of snow between midnight tonight and 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. We'll actually get ourselves up to about 30 to 35 tomorrow. Most of the time between 8 o'clock tomorrow morning and 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, it's just flurries. Between 2 and 3 and 2 to 5 p.m., there may be a steadier snow shower for a coating to an inch of snow Wednesday. The bit of uncertainty is Wednesday night. How much snow will we get Wednesday night? And computer models are varying on this. Some of them bring like an inch. Others bring up to 4 inches. I'm going to side with a little bit steadier snow. I mean, 4 inches around here isn't that big of a deal, but it does make a difference if it's 1 or 4, and I think it's 2 to 4 inches of snow for Wednesday night. Cold front comes through pre-dawn or around dawn and then brings in another whoosh of winter wind chills. I know you don't see much on the map behind me. There'll be some flurries, but the air is going to be bitter again Thursday afternoon, Thursday evening. Total sun 40% today, not much at all Wednesday, 20% Thursday. Precipitation probability, you can see it behind me. Never is there any kind of heavier snow like what we just had, at least right now in the forecast. Here's the 7-day. Wind chills by Thursday afternoon will be 10 to 20 degrees below 0. Ugh. The only high temperature near normal is Wednesday. I'm meteorologist Peter Hall. Anytime, anywhere, cnycentral.com for new information.